20 Minute Setswana bonus vocabulary lesson 22. Okay, so we're just going to get straight into it. What is the word for mouth, Mpho?
Molomo.
Molomo. All right.
Yes.
And the word for chin?
Seledu.
Seledu. All right.
Yes.
What's the word for ear?
Tsebe.
Tsebe. Tsebe. And if I made that plural?
Ditsebe.
Okay. Ditsebe. And the word for eye?
Leitlo.
Leitlo.
Yes.
And if I made that plural?
Matlo.
Okay. So matlo is the plural of leitlo.
Yes.
What's the word for knee?
Lingole.
Lengole. Okay. And would the plural be mangole?
Great.
Okay, because it's the le ma clause. All right.
Yes.
And the word for tongue?
Loleme.
Loleme. All right. And if I made loleme plural?
Diteme.
Diteme. All right.